General knowledge about Indian national flag. The Indian national flag is also called the dash. Tricolor. In the middle of the white band is a dash color chakra. Blue. Ashoka chakra has dash spokes. 24. In Indian national flag, saffron stands for dash. Courage and sacrifice. In Indian national flag, white stands for dash. Truth and peace. In Indian national flag, green stands for dash. Prosperity. Our emblem has taken from the dash at dash. Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. The Ashoka pillar has dash lions standing back to back and facing the 4 different directions. 4. The lions are standing on a dash base. Circular. Carved on the sides of the base are 4 animals that are dash 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 dash. Lion, horse, bull and elephant. In the printed emblem, the bull's on the dash side and the horse is on the dash side. The bull's on the right side and the horse is on the left side. Our national anthem was written by dash. Rabindranath Tagore. Our national anthem was chosen on dash. January 24, 1950. The blue wheel at the center of the flag is called the dash. Ashoka Chakra.